Excuse me, can I talk to you?
Sure, what do you want to talk about?
I want to speak English better.
Yes, I started last month.
Are you learning English now?
Yes, I am learning online.
Did you start recently?
Yes, I watch videos and read books.
Are you learning online?
No, I don't have anyone to talk to.
Do you watch videos and read books?
Yes, I speak in front of a mirror.
Do you speak with anyone in English?
That is a good idea.
Do you try speaking alone?
It's normal, don't worry.
Do you feel nervous sometimes?
At least 1 hour is good.
How long should I practice daily?
That's great, but don't forget speaking.
Do you study grammar too?
Yes, I listen to English podcasts.
Do you listen to English podcasts?
Not always, I miss some words.
Do you understand them easily?
Yes, writing helps a lot.
Should I write English too?
You can if you practice every day.
Can I speak fluently in 3 months?
It's okay, everyone makes mistakes.
Do you make mistakes?
Slow and steady is better.
Do you want to learn fast?
A teacher can help, but not necessary.
Do I need a teacher?
Then English is very important.
Do you want to go abroad one day?
That's great. Do you watch with subtitles?
Do you like English movies?
Yes, it helps me understand.
Do you watch with subtitles?
Try watching without them sometimes.
Should I watch without them?
Do you use a notebook?
Do you forget new words?
No, I don't write words.
Do you use a notebook?
Start writing new words every day.
Do you write words?
5 to 10 is a good number.
How many words should I learn daily?
Yes, it gives you more vocabulary.
Is reading important for speaking?
Yes, many apps can help you.
Can I practice with AI?
Yes, I use a dictionary app.
Do you use any app?
Practice will build your confidence.
Do you feel shy to speak in public?
Yes, that can be very helpful.
Should I join a group class?
They won't just do your best.
What if others laugh at me?
Think of your goals, it helps.
Do you lose motivation?
That takes time, but it is possible.
Do you want to speak like a native?
Yes, it helps people understand you.
Is pronunciation important?
Listen and repeat native speakers.
How can I improve it?
Yes, they are simple and useful.
Can I watch cartoons in English?
That's a good method.
Do you copy their words?
That is good daily practice.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
Try to name things around you in English.
Do you want to think in English?
Don't worry, just keep practicing.
Do you get confused with grammar?
Yes, use games and simple exercises.
Can grammar be fun?
Make a daily schedule.
Do you feel lazy sometimes?
Yes, they are great for beginners.
Should I read children's books?
Use pictures and examples.
How can I remember better?
Take short breaks and relax.
Do you get tired after learning?
No, just the main idea is enough.
Do I need to understand every word?
Yes, English songs help with listening.
Can I learn from songs?
Slow and clear songs are better.
What kind of songs are good?
That is great for pronunciation.
Do you sing along?
Practice writing will help that.
Do you make spelling mistakes?
Yes, use it in your routine.
Should I use English daily?
Yes, it builds confidence.
Can I talk to myself in English?
Revise them with examples.
Do you forget grammar rules?
Yes, consistency is key.
Do I need to study every day?
Practice speaking with a timer.
How can I speak faster?
Yes, it helps with fluency.
Should I memorize sentences?
Yes, they are very useful.
Can I use flashcards?
Try language exchange apps.
Where can I find English friends?
No, just speak clearly.
Do I need perfect grammar to speak?
Yes, movies are great practice.
Can movies help me learn?
Watch them with subtitles first.
What if I don't understand movies?
Try to think in English instead.
Can I translate from my language?
Yes, speak clearly, not fast.
Is it okay to speak slowly?
Listen to native speakers often.
Do you want to sound natural?
Practice with audio and repeat.
How do I fix my accent?
Yes, and listen to correct mistakes.
Can I record my voice?
Start with small talk topics.
Do you feel nervous in conversation?
Talk about daily life or hobbies.
What are good topics to start with?
Watch real conversations or shows.
How do I learn new phrases?
Yes, copy their tone and words.
Should I copy native speakers?
Yes, it improves your writing and vocab.
Can I write short stories?
Yes, it helps with confidence.
Should I use a mirror to speak?
It's okay, just keep learning.
What if I pronounce words wrong?
Yes, that is more fun and effective.
Can I learn with a friend?
Try online speaking partners.
Do you have anyone to practice with?
Yes, there are many good channels.
Can I learn from YouTube?
Practice all skills daily.
What is the best way to learn?
Both are important together.
Is listening more important than reading?
Yes, it helps with memory.
Should I take notes while listening?
Yes, use it in everything daily.
Can I make English part of my life?
Yes, goals keep you focused.
Should I set goals?
Track your progress and reward yourself.
How do I stay motivated?
Yes, mistakes help you grow.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Label things and speak while doing tasks.
How can I use English at home?
Yes, start with small things.
Can I think in English all day?
Take a pause and try again.
What if I get stuck during speaking?
Practice quick responses daily.
How do I answer fast?
Yes, they make your English richer.
Should I learn idioms?
Yes, they build vocabulary.
Are books helpful for speaking?
That's okay, just stay regular.
Do you like learning alone?
Yes, English games are fun and useful.
Can I learn with games?
Both are needed, but speaking more.
Is grammar more important than speaking?
Yes, record and listen to yourself.
Can I practice with my phone?
Yes, it improves reading and vocabulary.
Can I read English news?
Yes, repetition helps learning.
Should I repeat what I read?
Use them in sentences daily.
How do I remember phrases?
Yes, writing daily helps a lot.
Can I make a journal in English?
Yes, describe your daily routine in English.
Should I talk about my day?
Try new ways to learn.
What if I feel bored?
Yes, post comments and captions in English.
Can I use English in social media?
Yes, you can learn from others.
Should I join English groups online?
No, slow learning is deeper learning.
Is learning slow bad?
Yes, talk to them in English.
Can I use voice assistants?
Yes, AI can help you practice.
Can I ask questions to AI?
No, it is helpful for beginners.
Is watching cartoons childish?
Use pictures and examples.
How do I learn word meanings?
Revise the next day and again later.
Do you forget what you study?
It's easy if you practice daily.
Is English hard to learn?
Yes, plan your study time.
Can I use a timetable?
Yes, it gives better results.
Should I mix reading and listening?
Morning is good, but any time works.
What time is best to study?
Yes, it helps with speaking power.
Should I say words loudly?
Yes, it's a fun way to practice.
Can I speak to pets in English?
Use books and offline apps.
What if I have no internet?
Yes, it builds fluency.
Can I read out loud from books? Should I repeat lessons?
Yes, repetition makes you better.